Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Saying Expert.
Where we play a quick little game.
Little okay. First I'm going to ask you a question. Would you prefer a partner who has a golden retriever energy or a partner who has a Doberman energy?
I think I'd prefer a partner who has Doberman energy.
Okay, why?
I mean, see, Doberman energy is essentially that your partner is nice only to you and he's very rude or comes off as very rude to other people. And I think I just want my partner to, I want to access my partner in that special particular way.
And golden retriever
Golden
has
retriever
an
is
energy
something
towards
that
everyone.
he's
Sunshine
good
is
to everyone. I mean, and golden retriever energy people are so difficult to have boundaries with. I mean,
First time I fell in love with dogs was because of a golden retriever. So yeah, I can understand.
exactly. I mean, you guys are nice to everyone. I don't know if you're being nice to me, or I don't know if that's a
In
committed kind of a thing.
particular, or it's for everyone.
I think any partner that I have to be and that I am with in the future, I would personally want him to have Doberman energy. Anyone,
Okay.
because I do not want him to go around being he with everyone that he meets and hanging out with
that's your
every person he's
preference.
run into the street. I just don't want that. If everyone has access to you, I don't want to have access to you.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me something.
Yeah.
Would you rather have a partner who bonds very well with your family or have a partner who bonds very well with your friends?
A partner who wants with my family.
A partner who bonds with your family? Why?
Yeah.
Don't your friends know you better?
No, I think we are going to end up in a family, okay? And my
Yeah.
friends are my family as well. So there are few friends who will be a part of my family. So family.
A few friends who will be a part of your family. How?
Yeah. Like I don't mean like family blood
Like
bond.
biological family, but
not
who are as close as your family.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So you think your
I
partner...
don't prefer my close friends as friends. I prefer them as my family.
So you think your partner has to be agreeable to your family?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I personally think I want my partner to be more chill with my friends. Because my family is not chill among themselves only. How will he be chill with my family?
I love my brothers and they understand me very well.
Yeah, see, because you have understanding and compassionate family,
That
no?
That is why I want.
I have a family which doesn't understand me only. They'll understand my partner now.
Not
That's a stretch.
friends भी they करते हैं अच्छे से understand.
Okay, tell me something else. Would you rather have a partner who indulges in public acts of affection? Public... क्या हो रहा है मेरे को? I think I have been heat stroked into a lisp. Partner who indulges in public acts of affection, or would you have a partner who is very low key with how
Why
he
please
displays
low
affection?
key? Low key. Why?
Why?
Why? Hugging and hand holding तक ठीक है in public, but a few times while I was sitting in a cafe and this couple was sitting next to me. Oh, I was trying to work and they were continuously
learned from other people's
sticking
experiences.
together. और ये एक बार नहीं हुआ है, मेरे साथ 2-3 बार हो चुका है. तो I would rather just hold hands and hug in public.
That is it. Do not come anywhere near.
भाई इतनी मैं
I'll
awkward
give you
हो
my
जाती
pinky
हूँ.
to hold.
मैं इतनी awkward हो जाती हूँ. How can I show that to other people in public? जो जिस चीज से मैं awkward हो रही हूँ वो मैं भी करूँ public में.
I mean, it's just the cycle. That's how it goes. See,
No.
they made you uncomfortable. Now you make someone else
No.
uncomfortable. Then they'll make
No.
someone else uncomfortable.
No.
Cycle.
No.
If you
No.
put down your torch...
Okay, I have
Okay.
this or that for you. Would you rather choose a partner who is extremely possessive or a partner who is nonchalant?
Extremely possessive or nonchalant.
Yeah.
So tricky. But between the two, I think I'll choose a partner who's extremely nonchalant.
Why?
See, if I choose someone who's very possessive, they want to be kept abreast of who I am with, when I'm coming
Yeah,
back,
makes
when I'm
sense.
leaving home, at every point
मुझे
of the
तो
day.
experience हुई है.
But with a partner who's nonchalant, I think there's a certain level of trust that's ingrained into the relationship, which does not warrant you keeping him updated about every minute of your day.
in way that you can spend
Nonchalant
time
in a healthy way.
Yeah.
Nonchalant in a I have trust in you and I know that
Yeah.
you are not going to breach your boundaries kind of a way.
That makes
Not
sense.
nonchalant in a way that I don't even
I
care
don't
because I don't
care.
like you that
Wherever
much.
you go.
No, not that.
That
That kind
yeah.
of nonchalant.
Understood.
So that's what I feel. I feel like, but I think the perfect kind of a partner is a golden medium between the two of those. I think he's possessive. I think he's possessive when the situation demands it.
Needs to be.
And it needs to be, oh my god, I'm hanging out with my family. What are you possessive for? Who's going to take me away and kidnap me in front of my family? Come on.
Your family.
Okay, now tell me something.
Yeah.
Would you rather have a partner who compels you to stay up till 2 a.m. at night talking to him? Or someone who only checks in intermittently throughout the day, like what you up to, what are you
I
doing, where you
prefer
at?
intermittently, but if it has to be, भाई 12 बजे तक बात कर लो उसके बाद मुझे सोने दो.
मुझे सोना है. अब कल करते हैं ये? कल करते हैं?
Let's continue tomorrow
continue
because
tomorrow.
12 बजे के बाद मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं कैसी रहती हूँ. So I would rather sleep off.
Detrimental to Samvedna brand.
हाँ, please.
So we'll do this tomorrow.
Please, we'll do this tomorrow. आप बीच में कभी भी मेरे से बात कर सकते हो.
I think you also reach a certain stage, no? Like
हाँ.
you're
By
you are young, but I'm 25, and I've
I'm
started
only 2
feeling
years younger than
yeah,
you.
but any which way, but you know, you reach a certain stage like your midlife, no, your quarter life, 25, but जो midlife ही है मेरे लिए,
Midlife,
yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Kind of feels like that. So you're like कि भाई अब मैं बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ, अब मुझे 11 बजे दवाइयाँ जो 4-5 मैं खाती हूँ खा के मैं सो जाऊँ, अब मैं 8 बजे उठूँ, फिर बात करते हैं ना, ये what are we doing, why are we
यार
doing
2
this?
बजे तक तो मेरे को पता भी नहीं रहता मैं बात क्या कर रही हूँ. सिर्फ मुंह हाँ. Okay.
Oh, interesting. He's telling you something very traumatic and you're interesting. Interesting. What the fuck?
12 बजे तक बात
I
करते हैं.
think you only have stamina till 12.
Yeah.
And after 12, forces of the evil take over you and it's not
अभी
very
हो रहा
nice.
है. It's 12:50.
Yeah, so she's available to talk for the next 12 hours. And then
Yes.
she's in.
उसके बाद आने लगी.
she's in.
Okay. So I have a last question for you, which is: would you rather have a partner who has female friends or a partner who doesn't let you have male friends?
A partner who has female friends or a partner who doesn't let me have male friends? I'd rather have a partner who has female friends.
Okay, explain.
See, I have a very few male friends जो बच्चे खुचे हैं in my life.
Yeah.
And those male friends, I mean, the ones who've really been there for me through a lot of it. I like these men. I want to keep these men in my life.
Same,
I think they're good people,
makes
bro.
sense.
I want to share my life with them. And I mean, we've come to have such a platonic kind of a bond that they are more like girlfriends to me. So it's like asking me to give up on a friend. It's not
इसका भी experience है आपको.
सारे टॉक्सिक क्वेश्चंस के बीच में लगा दे रही है फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस.
From experience.
So I think I can let him have female friends also. Can let him to is sounding very
Let
condescending.
him,
He
yeah.
can have female friends. Doesn't matter.
He should have.
Should nahi. I mean, let me have male friends. Don't have any female friends. Can we?
Yeah, आप
ना तेरी ना मेरी, ना तेरी ना मेरी.
बीच में रखते हैं.
बस मेरी, ना तेरी ना मेरी. ब्रैकेट में
neutral भी नहीं है.
But yeah, I think the perfect case scenario is you don't have any female friends because you don't like interacting with women, and
Except me.
except me because I'm a nice woman, right?
Sure.
And I can have male friends because I know boundaries and I know that male friends are kind of like my girlfriends only, but you don't have any female.
Okay.
Okay. And with that, very toxic, manipulative advice.
Bye. I am very sweet.